Dumelang sanibonani apsheni kamalam Muslim. Welcome to the very first episode of Something Music, your number one show that previews music wasemzansi, and our area code is umhlaba wonke jikelele, worldwide. So vandag I'd like to welcome you to 2025, and I know this is the 7th of February 2025, and we are a month in a couple of days to 2025, and we understand that last year 2024 was a roller coaster, but then I would like to give one of my guy who is the beast when it comes to sing-alongs, and I would be unjust if I'm not starting the show by this song, and I'm sure naye lapha khona uzongikwatela if I don't start the show by this song. We know ukuthi MT and Ubig Zulu, they are busy cooking something, but then we got a snippet nyana lapha, yeah, you know. I'm just gonna play it kancane so that everybody can see, and then we start the show. And I believe mhlambe one day mengahlangana nomjita or amajita and then ask them ukuthi okay ke bangaye, and then this will be our theme song masicala every time when we're starting the show, Something Music. But here, this is your number one music show that previews without any favor or prejudice. We make sure ukuthi siyakupreviewa, senza sure ukuthi sigaya imfanelo zakho out of 10, and esibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. But on this one, let me give it to you. Nayi usa 21 yemibuzo bangakuzonda kodwa ngeke benze lutho, bendingedwa kule meko bendikuyo, ngoba intwana yami ishona kubo, ngoba bazi bafunani, abazazi bafunani. I hope now as well. MT is a ghost. MT, he's a goat. From Cape to Cairo, from wherever, from east to west, MT, he's a goat. Ngibeka MT phambi kwaka Drake, MT will smoke him. Chorus wise, sing along wise, MT will smoke. Ngibeka MT from Cape to Cairo, MT will smoke. Angifuna ukubabala bonke because then this preview or this podcast will be 2 hours. But from Cape to Cairo, MT number one, sing along chorus. From South America to the North America, about Drake, MT will smoke them. About Chris Brown, MT will just smoke them. Uyangithola. Masiyangale east, west, kuyafana. MT will just smoke them. So I would like to say big up to MT 1992. Big up my brother. This is a good song. Uthi bangibuza 21 questions. Usho kanjalo uMT. So when uthini, and I foresee this song is going to be the big song in 2025. And angibonile lapha in this snippet of videos ukuthi hey uBig Zulu ngathi khona amagama adlala number 5 lapha ya awafuna ukumvulela ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abhale iverse lakhe, you understand. But then I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping for good music, and I know that this is going to be a big song. First drop, if lengoma lezo dropper on end of Feb 2025, I'm sure this song is going to be a big song. It's going to run the charts. It's going to run Spotify. It's going to run Apple Music. Mzansi, I'm a top 10 on radio station. It's going to be number one. This is the best. Maskandi Hop, MT will kill you. Trap, MT will kill you. Singamnikeza ne Afro Pop, MT will smoke you. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo. So ke vandag silanga le ndaba le. We've seen ukuthi the scene of music has changed the dynamics have been changing a lot. Yabo. So we're no longer relying on big companies like your Universal. We mostly going independent, and those guys they are trying to make sure Guti they are there on those. They've got a big chunk of stake kuma DSPs. Uyangithola, like your Spotify, like your Deezer, like your Traxsource, like your Apple Music. You understand? So they are there to push their own. Uyangithola. But then Tina la eMzansi, we just need to have our own thing, because we have the biggest genre that is loved from Australia going right round to a South America. Nobody is not jamming to Amapiano right now. You can say whatever you want to say. We know Guti Afrotech is big in Portugal and whatsoever, but then nobody and no one can deny Amapiano. Each and every party where you get in a South Africa, Amapiano is pumping. And now we have clubs where they're only pumping Amapiano. You don't need to have your hip hop or whatsoever. They're pumping Amapiano. Amapiano is the best genre ever. So siyabonga bafethu, and we like to thank uPhori for ukuplaka intwana ezincane. Yangithola. So Phori, big up. Last year we know we had a Phiri Marung as a song of the year, which was good. The song was fine. It had about a collaboration of about 9, but uPhori angithi zombala kayi-2 ngoba ngapha uMadumani ngapha uPhori, uyangithola. But the Phiri Marung, I think they had about 8 guys laphaya, which was a nice song. Everybody was jamming to Phiri Marung. So big shout out to G Mashego. G Mashego, I think you are a future of intwana ezincane ezwakalayo egamini. You know, you just need to be a good influence kubo, and then they can look up to you. And maybe next time you can be, in the next couple of years, you can be Uphori. Just make sure with every time when you get a session with those big guys, don't just go for flaunting or go for pushing numbers. Just go there for knowledge. Let them teach you the business. And I'm sure ezintwana yaseLimpopo, you know, mhlaba wonke jikelele, G Mashego, everybody is well aware of you, so you just need to keep on coming back and never be a ghost. I see on Spotify you've got a monthly of 1.5 million listeners, and I'm sure it's because of the Phiri Marung, as is the song of the year. But then Ntwana Yami, keep up the good work. Phori, siyabonga for ukufaka abantwana abasha egaming and introducing them to the music business. But if they want to sing and they don't want to learn the business, it's not your fault. But then anyway, asiqhubekele phambili, big up to the song of the year. And I'll go to Diqabang. I think that song was, if I'm not mistaken, it was released, the official release on DSP. It was last year, 2024. Let me just have a look, just for reference, so that I cannot give you wrong, incorrect information. Diqabang was released in 2024. I think that was in May, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was in May, if I'm not mistaken, 2024. So Diqabang, as we stand right now on Spotify, it's on 9.3 meter and counting. On Spotify and on YouTube, the official video, it's on 3.2 meter. It's doing very well. And Sol Penduga, sometimes sanokushayisana yabona kuma corridors and stuff like that. And yeah, siyabonga, Sol, you believed in the song, you said it from your mouth to the universe. So Sizwile, Diqabang was one of the best songs, and I'm just hoping that Kuma Summers, people can be fair and because we know ukuthi ingoma efana ne Diqabang will last forever. Not beefing with Biri Marung, but then it will last forever and ever. Amen. That's what I can understand. As it is like in Kalagata, it will last forever. Young told. But then asvaye again, no. Sipushe singene ku 2025. 2025, I'm glad that I got a song from Uzola, which I listened to it, but didn't get time to write my own notes and preview the song. Young told. So it's Otsiase Zola is bring us Imbube. And I believe if the song was out last year, it was going to make it on the Mufasa, the Lion King. Yaga Mufasa, the brothers. Mufasa and Scar. I believe it was going to make it there. We are told out here. So, but then because now imagine January and the movie's been completed, if that song you have released it last year August somehow, it was going to make it there as a soundtrack. So I'll review the song probably next week, and then another one who has not given us a new music in the past year or so. Usjava. We know what he takes his time and he connects with his music. Usjava, Indlalifa. So Usjava has released an EP which is called Inkanyezi. I believe that EP is dope. I just listened to it once or twice. The EP is dope. It was at the end of Jan. The EP is dope. I've been waiting for it. It has been on my pre-save since last year. I've been waiting on it. The EP is dope. I would listen to it and listen to the metaphors and all those things. You understand? So yeah. And what else do we go on? Next week I'll give you the preview of Imbube and the EP Yagas Java, and then we'll try and catch up because nothing is happening exactly in January. So people are just releasing their soft stuff, something that we can listen to. They're not clearly releasing bangers for the clubs, you know. But one that we had, it was released on the 31st of Jan, which is in Bolegeni. We've saw 31st of Jan in 2025. We have saw on our social media that we're busy Ngbolegeni. If you're not from South Africa and you don't understand what is Ngbolegeni, it means borrow. Ngbolegi 5,000 rand, Ngbolegi 10,000, Ngbolegi 1,000. So it means borrow me €1, 1,000 euro, 5,000 euro, 5,000 pound, $5,000, 5,000 yen, 5,000 Australian, just borrow me. Since it's January, January is a bit steep, young tall. So we're saying Ngbolegeni. But then Leango Malaya will consist of, I think it's about 9 features. Angeng Baba Lebonke, Kuno Pori, Kuno Matumani, and that song. Kuno Blakey, Kuno Scott, Kuno Limek, Kuno X-Dabi. And it shows you if because the genre that I love the most, it will be jazz. That's on number 1 on my list. And then gube piano. After piano, gube Afrotech. If we can work as Amapiano does. Because I understand ukuthi Amapiano, it's all about the community. You create your own community, and the community will create the culture. And the culture will spread amongst the people around Ilo, around the world. So you will see people moving, you understand, the same way as Amapiano moves. You told. Everybody will now move the same way. And you can agree or debate with me. Everybody, when you go to Mozambique, for instance, you feel like you're in SA. When you go to the US of A, you feel like you're in SA. Why? You go to San Francisco, you feel like you're in SA. Why? When you go to the UK, you feel like you're in South Africa. Why? You know why? Because we have now cemented our culture. And what are we doing? We are now feeding it to the people around us. The UK, the Nigerians, the Moroccans, the Egyptians, the Mozambicans, everybody, Lana, the Congolese, everybody's jamming to Amapiano. You go to TikTok, not even half, I would say more than half of the content that is there, it's all about South African music. It's all about Amapiano, like it or not. So now let's go to the deal of the day. The song Bolegeni. It's a very good song, and I saw that they're busy shooting the visuals, and I'm hoping the visuals are over grand now. And then, but because the song has got Upori ngaphakathi, I'm sure the song is going to be well marketed. It's going to be put in the right shelves so that people can consume it, so that people can be able to have access to the song. Young told. So I know Pori, his strategy is very, and sometimes if you tell him that wena me brawa kono ibe 30 day and because this thing to him, he's been doing this thing for a long time. It's like breathing to him. It's normal. Even if lao shashaya, it feels normal. Because he's been doing this thing for a long time. Young told. So Nati, we need to learn from Upori. And then I'm going to take 3 verses so that I don't belong on the Ngbolegeni thing. I'm going to take Upleki, the verse yaga Bleki, the fine. Ngizothatha Ulimeke da. Okay. Ngizothatha Scott da. It's also okay. So it's okay for the 3 guys. It's something that we had last year. Young told. The flow, Gafana, everything that is happening there. It's the same. It's just that it's a new song. But Yonkinti Afana, it's just a new song. It's the same 4-corner room with different paintings, Guyo, and a bit of disco light. But then the structure of the song is still 4-corner walls, as totally pentagon nyana or a hexagon young tall. So we still have the same thing. So lapha ngicela ningiboleki 5 bafethu and then nginigayi 5. So sizobonana next time futhi. Young tall. So that's where we are. So now let's move futhi siye ku Master KG. Master KG has released a song today, as it's the 7th of February. He released a song at Let It Go, Let It All Go, with a guy by the name of Jan Dilang and some Miss Twiggy. You know, I always say this and to upcoming artists, don't give us a name that when we think of you, we feel like we're in an exam room. Young told. Look at a name like Scott. Who doesn't know Scott? Give me a name like Limek. Give me a name like Pori. A name that you can develop nicknames out of it. We know good we have DJ Maporisa, but Sesimbiza Pori. You understand? We have, I mean, a name like Slim. Slim so deep. You can say Slim. Or you can say, oh, that guy, Slim guy. So give us names that are catchy. So that next time when we listen to your music, so, oh, no, I remember the song, this was happening and all that, Young Tol. So that song, it doesn't have that moving ground, a drum, Young Tol. It's giving me a vibe of Abo Kelvin Momo, Abo Sticks. And that's not Master KG's things. Master KG gives you a kuchu, 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 kuchu. You know, it gives you that thing. Yeah, uyangithola mos. When you're listening to Boki Neilwe, you have that beat says go and then the one that says come back. You understand? Go and come back. Go. You don't know where you stand. But this one, out here, I don't even wanna rate it. It will just fall in your discography or what you have released, and it will be in your catalog. So it's just a song for me now. And another one that was released on the 7th, with which I wanted to preview vandaag, eyaga Masompisi, Pretty Masompisi, featuring Duncan and Olified Cat. I think it's Olified Cat. You understand? I'm struggling to ubiza magama. Give me a name like X Dabi. Young tall. Give me a name like Nkosazana Daughter. Don't give me a name where I would need now to twist my tongue for me ukuthi ngikubize ngalo. You understand? So as you see ukuthi la eMzansi we are so versatile. We've got Tswanas, we've got Pedis, but we are all South Africans. You understand? That doesn't mean there must be a barrier between me and you. We just, Alababanye, they were born in up north, the other one were born in the south, the other one were born in the west, depending who landed there first, we are told. So, but then that song, let me digress. So the song, it's called Ekaya. It was released on the 7th of February, which is today. It features Duncan. That song, at first I thought Untaba Yase Dubai he's on that song. Duncan is brilliant. Come to Metaphors. I know MT once said Metaphors won't pay you, which is right. You need something that is catchy for you to get paid in bookings. When we come to rap now, Duncan is killing it. Scandi Hope. When I'm speaking of Scandi Hope, I'm remembering about the guy like Uzulu Boy. Yeah, those were the guys that we're listening to back in the days. Abu Zulu Boy. Yeah. So the song Ekaya, it's a beautiful song. Speaks about someone who left at home and Ekaya Klushegwa, Ekaya go right, you know. So we just need to ukuthi one day nje ke sihambe sonyathela amabala. We know ukuthi goli liyasidla or the lights, they consume us so much that we don't want to go back emakhaya. You want to go back ekhaya so hamba ngemoto nyana uphethe igedlela nyana, you know. So you're having a car, driving a nice Mercedes Benz, a nice stance car, so that the car bazokwazi ukukubona. You can now buy a grocery of about 2k, 3k, 4k for my old lady, you know. But those kind of things ziyayenzeka, you know. But sometimes you just need to go home uyonyathela amabala, because when your mom, your dad, or your grandmother sees you ukuthi usaphelele usahlangene, you still have the respect that they taught you ekhaya. You still have the totems that they taught you ekhaya. You still that guy you can go kamakhelwane mangabe kunomsebenzi and assist. So it speaks about that. That is a good song. I love it. I'll give you Duncan and our Pretty, I think it's Pretty Masompisi and Olified Keta. And the producer and the beat maker, I'll give you guys about a 9 out of 10. And the reason I'm giving you a 9 out of 10 is because I was not there when the song was arranged or mixed. Bengizoyigaya 10 out of 10. But anyway, simnandi vandaag 7 Friday. So ngicela ukuthi wonke umuntu ozophuma avaye, just be safe. Igama lami nguSlim So Deep. And this is your number 1 show, a music preview. So this is something music. So again, before I go, I'd like to give flowers to MT. MT, ngikuthulele isigqoko nkabi yami, thatha nazi ityatyambo zakho, and always be good, be humble. Iba lo muntu uye, don't change. Don't change for anyone. Don't change for whoever that is around you. Be you, because that's the thing that brings money in your bank account, because of you. So the world would want you to be someone else, but be you. Yancanya bafethu, uSlim So Deep, and we're signing out. Sizobuya futhi. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Sibe mnandi. Siyabonga South Africa.